Greetings, everybody. I'm Shweta. I am a final year undergrad studying life sciences and education. I am also a volunteer contributor at #Semantic Climate, where we develop text data mining tools to liberate knowledge from scientific literature and also from PDF reports. In this presentation, we are going to discuss how we've been mining IPCC reports and similar reports for biodiversity-related information, and we'll also discuss the crucial role that Wikidata plays in that mining process. With that, let's get started. So to give you a bit of context as to why we are mining IPCC reports, information to save the world is locked up in these PDF reports, and these PDF reports are very long and are written in technical language. That means that humans cannot read the whole thing and extract all the useful information. And that's where machines can help. At #Semantic Climate, we've been developing tools to help machines automatically liberate knowledge from these PDF reports. And here's how we do it. So we take the PDF version of the report, convert it into HTML, which is both machine and human readable. And from the HTML, we easily pull out the text and extract useful information from the text. And the useful information could be keywords or abbreviations. So from the extracted information, you could answer questions like, what are all the common terms that occur in a chapter of IPCC report? Not just that, we can also create what's called dictionaries from the extracted information. So for example, we could create an abbreviation dictionary where the dictionary contains all the abbreviations mentioned in the IPCC reports. Or if you're interested in biodiversity, you could be thinking about creating a dictionary which contains all the biodiversity related terms. The most unique aspect of these dictionaries is that all the terms are linked to Wikidata. So for every corresponding term, there is a Wikidata ID in these dictionaries. And here, as you can, this is how a typical page for an entry would look like. So greenhouse gases, right? So it has a unique identifier, the Wikidata ID. Then Wikidata has information about greenhouse gases in different languages. And we can leverage this information to go back and annotate the HTML version of the IPCC reports, and that's what we've done here. So let's say you want to know what wetlands is. You could just click on it, and it will take you to Wikidata, and you can learn more about wetland, right? So let me go back to my presentation. So these dictionaries are very useful because it can help you learn what these terms mean instantaneously while you're reading the report. So that's one aspect of that's one thing that you could be doing with dictionaries. We also have a lot of pre-made dictionaries that we create directly from Wikidata or from other sources like Wikipedia, which can be used to see the big picture. So let's say you want to know what are all the biodiversity related terms that occur in the chapters of IPCC reports and how frequent are these terms. Our tools can automatically do that. So here is a word cloud that we generated by analyzing and by searching 6 chapters of IPCC reports. With dictionaries, you can also do something more. So if, let's say, you had 2 dictionaries, a country dictionary and a biodiversity related terms dictionary, you could search the reports with both these dictionaries and look for the sentences where you have both country mentioned and a biodiversity related term mentioned. So here, as you can see, this is a very useful sentence, and you could be thinking about adding information that you extract from this sentence back into Wikidata to enhance our mining process. And finally, with the help of dictionaries, we can also index the whole report. So let's say you want to know all the sentences that mention the term wetland. Our tool can automatically, get you all the sentences which mention the term wetland. So we're not just limited to text, we also pull out images and pull out text from images, and the information in images can also be incredibly valuable, and semantifying it can help liberate knowledge from these images as well. So to summarize, semantic climates tools, text data mining tools, empower you, the reader, to first learn what these terms mean instantaneously while you are reading the report. And second, the dictionaries can also help you see the bigger picture, like which are all the common terms that occur, which term co-occurs with which other term. All of these can be done with our tool. And finally, it can also help you know which part of the document is relevant for you as a reader. So with that, I think I would like to end the presentation. All of what we do is up on the web, on GitHub, and we, commit our code or any other resources that we create immediately there. So we follow what's called open notebook philosophy. So yeah, if you're interested to check our tools out and also start a discussion if you would like to know more or contribute. Thank you.